Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. This Jurisprudence class. We are discussing question number 15, I believe, of question paper 2019. Brief facts are like this. I am not sure about the question number. Please verify with your question paper. Brief facts. In a public sector undertaking, both male and female employees were appointed. Good. It's a public sector, almost equal to common salaries they will give. They were selected basing on their qualification. That means in organized sector. The management fixed their salary also. Good. Later, it was noticed that there is inadequacy. Oh, equal remuneration act. The male employees are paid more than female employees, even though the qualifications are the same. So sometimes it may happen. Suppose if the female employees come and say, what is this? There is no equal pay for equal work. What to do? Definitely you have to file a case under Equal Wages Act, right? You can go to the High Court also under Article 226. So because your directive principles of the state policy under Article 39 has been violated. Yes. As far as issue is concerned, the main issue is whether females can get less pay more than male employees, or we'll write like this: whether male employees can get more salary than female employees, even though both of them are qualified equally, that too in organized sector. So simple example I will give. Suppose in our Indira Paridarshan Law College, one lecturer by name Sai Baba is appointed, another one by name Sarvani is appointed. Both of them were appointed on the same day. So should they get equal pay, or this Sarvani being a lady, can she get less salary? 100%? No. Organized. If it is unorganized sector, males will dominate, they will get 900, whereas women will get some 700 or so, like that. So in organized sector, it cannot happen. Equal work for equal pay. Very simple. Right? Since the second half of the 20th century, so the women labor force participation has grown up significantly. Women are working for longer hours also, and actually they are pursuing higher education. You see the results. ఏ స్కూల్లో చూసినా సరే, కాలేజీల్లో చూసినా సరే, ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేది గర్ల్ క్యాండిడేట్సే వస్తున్నారు. Despite this progress, significant wage gaps were found between males and females. Right? In this connection, you have to write the constitutional provision, Article 16. As per Article 16, all citizens have got a right to equality of opportunity in relation to matters of public employment. Why I have mentioned this? It is a public sector employment. Appointment to any office in the state also. Then, Article 38, Clause 2, strives to minimize the inequation in the income among the individuals. Article 39, important. Straight article is this one, provides equal pay for equal work for both men and women. So please mention these articles. They are important because you have to write them. And now coming to the Act. The Equal Remuneration Act 1976. It prohibits the difference between men and women for performing the same work or work of similar nature. Additionally, the Equal Remuneration Act also prohibits any discrimination between the men and women workers for the same work on the grounds of recruitment, including promotions, training, and also transfers. So the female workers should be given equal pay for equal work. Now we'll discuss case laws. Number 1, State of Punjab and others versus Jagjit Singh and others, 2016. In this case, Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of equal pay for equal work. So temporary employees, there is a difference between temporary and regular employees. Temporary employees discharging similar duties of permanent employees, they stand on the same footing. They are entitled to draw equal wages with that of regular employees also. In this connection, words are more important. Please remember, Supreme Court said that we do not hesitate to say, do not hesitate to say all the temporary employees would be entitled to draw wages at the minimum of pay scale, lowest grade, extended to regular employees holding the same post. What is the difference? What is the difference between a contract employee and regular employee? Both of them do the same thing. So we say that both of them are equal. Of course, on the ground level, it's not possible. But anyway, Supreme Court very rightly said that both of them are equal. Second case, very celebrated case, very important. McKinnon, McKenzie and Co. It happened in Calcutta. McKinnon, McKenzie and Co. Limited versus Audrey D. Costa, I think if I am correct, Audrey D. Costa and others, 1987. So, in this connection, very classic example of the equal pay, equal work in this case. So, Supreme Court held that men and women employees, they should be paid equally for the same work. The employer's plea of inability of paying similar wages to the female workers is not accepted because it was in doldrums. It shall not depend on the financial ability of the man. They have to pay equal salary for both men and women. And another case, why no equality in Chapter. V. Markandeya versus State of AP, 1989. Here what happened is, engineers, there are two types of engineers. The first type is those who has completed engineering, BE or BTech, 4 years course. The other person who has come from vertical level, that means they complete the diploma in polytechnic, then they join the second year of engineering. Okay, people who have done the diploma, they are also called as engineers. Here, regular engineers, are they same? They are holding the same post. Can they be given salaries equally or not? So, Pay Code said no. Please remember, engineers versus diploma holders. So, difference in pay, yes, because these people have studied for 4 years and that is only diploma course for 2 or 3 years. We can't equate them, even though you call them as engineers, justified in not giving equal salary. This is a negative example. So, to conclude, please remember, in view of the above discussions and case laws, it can be held that wages of both the male and female employees in organized sector should be equal as per Equal Remuneration Act or as per Article 39 of the Constitution of India. Right? If you know this much, if you write this much, you will definitely get more than 10 marks. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.